Hi, Delta Hack today will show how to assemble a police flasher using simple electronic components based on a printed circuit board. Scheme and board template in the description. Let's go! This screen shows a diagram of the device. First, we need a PCB. This time we use the PCBWAY service. We upload the file with our project to the site and after 5 days we get the boards we need. Our boards came safe and sound. For convenience, we put the entire name of the components on the board. Assembling the device has become easier. On the screen you can see all of the names and the number of components that we will need for that project. First of all, I decided to solder the LEDs. It is very important to observe the polarity of the diodes. This is clearly visible on your screens. Observe the cleanness of all components and install them in the right way. I recommend buying 1 to 2 units more in order to replace if they fail. At the last stage, solder the 9-volt battery socket. The device is ready. Great reason to scare the naughty neighbors by the police. Using potentiometer, you can change the frequency of flashing bulbs. We decided to use this device in the car. Be careful, this is illegal, but we did not go on the public road. Have fun with Delta Hack and subscribe to the channel. Good luck!